Objective 2, Day 1, and it's the second video, problems 5 through 7. And we have these three problems that you're going to be looking at. And the answers that you should have gotten were, D for 5, C for 6, and D for 7. Okay. Alright, so let's go to 5 first. The length of a rectangular garden is 20 feet longer than the width. Which equation best describes the garden's perimeter P? So the first thing you want to do is draw a picture. So we've got a rectangular garden, and it says the length is 20 feet longer than the width. Since they give you this W, you know that you want that to be somewhere on your picture. So I'm going to make that this side here. And so if the length is 20 feet longer, longer means you're adding, and so this would be 20 plus W. Okay, so anytime they give you the letter, you want only that letter to appear in the picture. You don't want to have any other different letters. Okay, so we're going to now just see that the other side would also be W, and then this side would be 20 plus W. They're asking for perimeter. Remember that perimeter is adding up all of the sides. So I'm just going to do that. 20 plus W, we've got that side. Plus W is this side. Another 20 plus W is this side. And then the last W is this side over here. So if we combine all of those together, we can combine the 20s, and we've got 40, and then we have 4 W's here. So that's how I would normally do it, but you can see here that that's not the way that they have it laid out. So we can rearrange what we wrote initially. We see that 20 plus W happened twice, so it's 2 times that. And then we see that the W's also happened twice, so it's 2 times W. And so that's how D is the answer. Personally, I think 40 plus 4W, or even 4 times 10 plus W is a much better way of writing it, but they can write it however they want, and there's lots of different ways to express the same thing. Okay, and if you notice B, just to point this out, W plus 20, this guy, multiplied by this guy is your area. So you can see how they're trying to trick you to picking the wrong one. They asked for perimeter, but they're expecting you to try the area formula. Okay, the next one, number 6, says a rectangle has a length of 2x plus 1 and a width of 5x plus 4. So let's draw that. The length is 2x plus 1. The width is 5x minus 4. And they want to know which expression best describes the area of the rectangle. So remember, area is length times width. So the length is 2x plus 1, and the width is 5x minus 4. And you see right away that we're going to be doing FOIL, or basically just distributing everything. Okay, so 2x gets distributed to the 5x and the negative 4. So 2x times 5x is 10x squared, and then 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. And then 1 times 5x and 1 times negative 4 is the next one. So we see 5x and minus 4. I saw a whole bunch of you guys put minus 5 or minus 3 at the end of this instead of minus 4. Remember, you're multiplying. It's 1 times negative 4. Don't let the signs confuse you. So now we combine our like terms. So we have 10x squared doesn't change. Negative 8 and 5 make negative 3x, and then we have that 4 left over. So C is the correct answer. And then the last one is a little trickier. Okay, the area of the shaded portion of the rectangle shown below is 440 square feet. So I'm going to write right on there, 440. That's the area of just this guy here. Okay, how can the area of the unshaded portion of the rectangle be expressed in terms of x square feet? So they're asking for that part. Okay, so what you should see right away, without even thinking about the letters and the numbers, is that the area of the whole rectangle minus the shaded area is what you're looking for. So this whole entire rectangle minus this guy in here will leave you with the unshaded part. So the area of the whole rectangle is a length of 30 by a length of x. So that's 30x. And then we subtract the shaded area, which they've already told us is 440. We don't even have to think about it. So 30x minus 440 is answer D, and that's the right answer.